Welcome to the LexIslamica Law Course video series brought to you by the Advanced Legal Studies Institute, Islamabad. This course, Islamic Jurisprudence, is the first course of the series. This is the introductory video to the course, which will let you, the viewer, understand what to expect from the course and how to approach it. This course is based on the works of Professor Imran Nyazee, namely Islamic Jurisprudence, 3rd edition, printed in 2013, Outlines of Islamic Jurisprudence, printed in 2012, as well as the Islamic Jurisprudence Questions and Answers Guide, printed in 2010. These books are shown in the bibliography at the end of this video. Most of the content of the course has been written by Professor Nyazee himself on the basis of these books. As this course may be viewed by Muslims and non-Muslims alike, it cannot be taken for granted that the viewer has an understanding of the basic terms and background knowledge. An attempt has been made to provide such information and clarifications where required, as well as to make comparisons to Western concepts and systems where applicable. We will avoid the use of Arabic terms, but there are some terms that are essential in understanding the nature of the discipline. It is also pertinent to mention here that this presentation-based course has been designed primarily as an academic presentation to facilitate those viewers who will be studying this course while using the other reference material. It is necessary to include the required text, however, as there will be viewers who will be viewing this for knowledge and do not have access to the other reference material. Generally speaking, this is a relatively serious topic and we did not find it appropriate to use animations and graphics as a method of conveying information. The purpose of these videos, then, is to cover the written text and supplement it with additional examples and explanations. An attempt has been made to make the video self-contained and as comprehensive as possible, so that the viewers can choose individual topics if required. It is important to note that this course is not for the layman who is satisfied with superficial knowledge. Rather, it is for the person who desires a deeper understanding of Islamic law and its jurisprudence, with the intent of becoming a teacher, lawyer, or a jurist one day. If the viewer is already an expert in the field, this course may introduce some finer details that may prove useful. It is our purpose to place sufficient power in each sentence so that the viewer is forced to use his or her mind and think. It is our sincere belief that a viewer who spends sufficient time and effort on a single video will learn much more than a person who rushes through several videos without concentration. We will begin with the basic ideas stated precisely and accurately so that the viewer begins with clear concepts and does not have to turn back to remove confusions in the mind at later stages. Simple meanings and ideas will start gathering more knowledge and will, over the course of several videos, grow into more complex concepts. Considerable effort and time have gone into the creation of this course with the aim of conveying accurate knowledge in a precise manner. The idea is that even if a few persons from the overall viewer base were to truly benefit from what is presented here, then our purpose will have been achieved. It is difficult to predict how many videos will cover the entire course. A reasonable estimate is that the number will exceed 30 videos. It is also possible that a related branch or study will be allotted its own separate space and its own set of videos. Over time, if sufficient interest is witnessed on the part of the viewers, each video will be assigned its own questions and short answers and hints. This will facilitate a deeper understanding of the subject. In the end, we may be sure that the knowledge contained in all the videos of this course will be more than that presented in any single textbook. My name is Nyazee and I have created this course with the permission and help of Professor Nyazee. I will be your host and narrator throughout the course. We may now proceed to the first video. Let's begin.